Good morning everyone, and thanks for joining me. It's great to have you along. I'm here at Westonzoyland Pumping Station Museum on the Somerset levels for our annual Railway Gala, which we hold on Bank Holiday Monday in August. Today we have our main steaming event. All the engines will be in steam. We're open to the public today. For the very first time, we have a steam locomotive here, and we are so grateful to Graham for bringing it. It is a Kerr Stuart Rain Class 040 Peter Pan, and later on you'll see it in action. It's going to be a good event. The weather is lovely. I'm really looking forward to it. Hi, and thanks for joining me. Hi Graham, thank you so much for bringing Peter Pan to the museum. It's really great of you to do that for us. Can you just tell me a little bit about her, please?
Yes, 100 years ago, a company in Stoke-on-Trent called Kerr Stuart built this locomotive. It was a standard design of theirs.
The rail truck seen here was supplied new in 1949 to the Eclipse Peat Works on the Somerset levels. As the focus of this video is on the Railway Gala, I haven't included any footage of the steam engines in the main exhibition hall, but you will see some live action of the 1861 steam-powered land drainage machine and another engine. Peter Pan is awaiting a test run before going into service. The engine house was built in 1830 to house a scoop wheel and beam engine, and adapted in 1861 to accommodate this replacement land drainage machine. The forge is occasionally used and sometimes demonstrated at special events. We can now see the burgeoning fire in the Marshall boiler. This is the test run to examine the line and ensure that all is well with the train formation. At the end of the video, you'll see how Peter Pan is loaded onto its transporter, and it's quite interesting how it's done. The train was very busy that day, running up and down, and even though it's a very short journey, it is very much enjoyed and appreciated by passengers.
too long rail. Two on here. One close to that and one. Almost guarantee there'll be a picture on in a decent position in those magazines. You go up the steep of the ramp, the brakes right off.
That way.
I'm supposed to take a run at it. Oh, he wants to get some
Momentum.
Many thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this further look at the Railway Gala. If you haven't yet done so, please do think about subscribing to the channel and clicking the little bell to receive notifications of future videos. Until next time, look after yourselves, your friends and families. Take the utmost care. Bye for now.